So we're on to the IAM cheat sheet, so let's jump into it. So identity access management is used to manage access to users and resources. IAM is a universal system, so it's applied to all regions at the same time. IAM is also a free service. A root account is the account initially created when AWS is set up, and so it has full administrator access. New IAM accounts have no permissions by default until granted. New users get assigned an access key ID and secret when first created when you give them pragmatic access. Access keys are only used for the CLI and SDK. They cannot access the console. Access keys are only shown once when created. If lost, they must be deleted and recreated again. Always set up MFA for your root accounts. Users must enable MFA on their own. Administrators cannot turn it on for each user. IAM allows you to set password policies, to set minimum password requirements, or rotate passwords. Then you have IAM identities, such as users, groups, and roles, and we'll talk about them now. So we have users. Those are the end users who log into the console or interact with AWS resources pragmatically. Then you have groups, so that is a logical group of users that share all the same permission levels of that group. So think administrators, developers, auditors. Then you have roles, which associates permissions to a role, and then that role is then assigned to users or groups. Then you have policy, so that is a JSON document which grants permissions for specific users, groups, roles to access services. Policies are generally always attached to IAM identities. You have some variety of policies. You have managed policies, which are created by AWS. They cannot be edited. Then you have customer managed policies. Those are policies created by you that are editable. And you have inline policies, which are directly attached to the user. So there you go. That is IAM.